Hello there. Well, I've decided I want to play around with my hairdryer again with my reds and pinks, which seem to be lasting forever, and black interspersed. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a ribbon pour across my piece of signboard until I've got enough paint on there to do a good blow with the dryer. I'm going to start using the blow dryer with a pointy piece first, just to move the paint backwards and forwards a little, and then see about transferring over to snub nose. Right, I'll try snub nose in the middle, but I'm just going to, this is all experimentation, so it's just trying. No, definitely put the tapered end back on again, I think, to get what I want. And that will do. My goodness, I would definitely call that a pink explosion. But it's managed to use up my colours. It's certainly not one of my better paintings, but I still love experimenting with this type of thing. And this is the first time that I have done a blow dryer pour using the dryer straight onto dry board, not using any form of base paint underneath to allow it to smooth itself along. And I've got a few little lumpy bits in the paint because I have had the paint made up now for several days, and unfortunately it can get a bit lumpy in that time, so I'll just smooth that out. That's better. Okay. So overall, I'm very pleased with it because I now know that I can use this type of technique straight onto dry board, and it will spread it across quite happily. Of course, probably much more suited to something like a tabletop or a glass or something like that, where you want that more marble type of effect. And the silver, of course, has created a few small cells, because the metallic does tend to do that, but otherwise there was no silicone or dimethicone added to the paint. So that's how I'm going to leave it now. And yep, definitely call that pink explosion, or pink-red explosion. Anyway, once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.